Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia.
Guys, let's just unpack some more on Senzo Meyiwa's trial at High Court in Pretoria. Although they're coming back this coming Thursday on the 11th. After Aten Ramusipile was just like, no, can we have time? State was pushing until Ronwe Sebanda said, you know what, actually, can we meet on Thursday? After Ramusipile said, no, on Monday. Guys, baby Ronnie came and said, no, Thursday we can meet and just talk. Are you guys gonna bring that inmate from KZN or what's going to happen? Did it work out? In 2 days, guys, how are we gonna get transport for our inmate to come here and clear and dance his name? He was pushing it. Dr. Runesband, and he had his way. He was just like, this day you are here. Because Angit Manje, it must look like defense doesn't want to work because somebody is in. I was just like, no, accuse number. I'll actually do accuse number 3 after the actual proper recess when the school closed and now we are closing. That's when I need to prepare. You know how it is. They fought last year, almost 2 months. Somebody was just like, I'm still preparing. That's why I was like, no, I can read those pages in like a month. When you need another 6 weeks. He was like, yeah, I do. I'm not you. Remember, ngamkhulumela guys, ngaze ngifake one of those videos. It was just like, we're not the same. It's not even about being a slow coach. How we do things, guys, we will never be the same. Nisi needed time last year. It took almost 3 months, guys. Even now, it's just like, no, accuse number 3. I will start with him. I need to prepare. So I'm preparing on these holidays. This coming recess, that's me. Being prepared. Whether wena ratha uzlalela phansi wena in a state no niyarola, I don't give. And it's like that. He always puts his foot down. It doesn't make him that mistake when it comes to preparing for a case. It's just like, also I want to show you, we are bearing you. Hey, nabaloy, man. I don't know how you're gonna come out. When I'm busy like for what? When we're gonna show you who we are. Actually okay ngabe bayabuya nje nge-recess bazositshela kahle what did they do to Senzo. Simple and straightforward. I was just answering to my comments. You know what, guys? You think South Africans are not watching Senzo Meyiwa case? They are. And they are supporting the Meyiwas like we do. Some of these YouTubers that are my colleagues here on YouTube. So I try to voice or to give out a voice for the Meyiwas because they feel so alone and all of that. But we are here. That is why these days my line is place people where they place you. You can't look there's very, very few people that are actually supporting the Meyiwas. Like up there, like your IP or whoever, really. Ababa support the Meyiwas to a point where, remember I said on the other video, Patricia Mashale even wrote to IP it last week after the whole thing, Ndanzi, the lies there at Ganongoma, Ubona Leontole. I think you support the Meyiwas fully, not to support today, another 5 days, you don't support them. It's loyalty, guys. You have to be loyal to one thing. It's for this in life. This is why like I'm saying, good man, I placed you where you placed me. Yeah, because as an adult, why finally my relationships, it's just crazy, guys. With the Meyiwas, it's not even good to say just because we grew up in the same location, the second biggest location, by the way, after Soweto Umlazi, doesn't mean ukuthi ena manje sengiyayinqengela. No, Senzo Meyiwa deserves justice, guys. He didn't do anything to anyone. He was shot. This is why I understand why the Khumalo was actually like this. Uzehlise nje ungqongqoze nje kaMeyiwa and say I'm sorry. Yebo wafela ekhaya, I'm sorry. To this day, you've never said anything. I guys, I don't know how people do it. And then you go to sleep every day, uyakhuluma la kuma socials, ufaka iduku the whole time. Ngisho uKelly at the time. Ufaka iduku the whole time. Usathuleka uZandile. Khumalo Gumede usathule usisi wakhe uzobe ekhuluma ayisongea mina ngoma akasenza hambe ekhala noma ikuphi. Guys, this mom, every day we must remember ukuthi she lost a child. Yeah, that's not some plaything. Yeah, ngizoke ngiyibeke nje kanjalo for now, you know. So I was still saying ukuthi ngiyabuka ama-comments, guys. I'm just like, you know what, abantu bayayibuka le case. Khona omunye ungikhumbuze lesa story sika-accused number 2, yakhumbula ama-AVL reports. To this day asikasithola uZungu ama-AVL reports akhe aphi njengoba iclaim ukuthi uyabazi labantu wayigroova nabo there in Basotho hostel. Guys, amanga guys, it needs to stop it. So like I said ukuthi uKilinda is nothing. Kilinda is actually an ant. I think nje basambeka umkhuso naye njengoba bebeke uShadrack Sibiya, uJoseph. They are busy with him. They are gonna be busy with him, uKilinda. It won't end well.